Hi, welcome to the quick walkthrough video of membership fees expenses tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all your membership expenses under one glance. On the left side, we have a quick summary section that shows the budgeted expenses, the total expenses incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred on a quick glance. On the right side, we have three sections, that is accounts, expenses, and transactions. Accounts is where you will set up all the different categories of membership expenses. So here we have set up professional, health and leisure expenses. Once you click on any of these categories, you can quickly edit any of these categories and click on done. It will quickly edit and change the corresponding category. And for every category, we have got three different subcategories. Once again, for editing any subcategory, click on this pencil icon and you can edit this subcategory as and when required. And once that is done, you can click over here and set your budgeted amount as per your requirement. So let's say I'm changing this budgeted amount. As you change this, everything on the left will update and we will see ahead how it updates in the later sections. So you can also add a quick subcategory by clicking on this new over here, or if you want to add a new category altogether, click on this plus to add new category. After this, let's see the expenses side. Under the expenses side, you can see the total expenses incurred, the budgeted amount and the percentage of actual expenses incurred for all the different subcategories that you have set. And finally, under the transaction section, here is where you will book all the expenses. Here is your date field. You can click and select a particular date. Then put the description of the expense, and under accounts you can select any of the subcategories as was defined by you earlier and choose a corresponding subcategory and then enter the amount. Once this is done, everything else will update automatically. This template is entirely customizable as per your requirement. Feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you.